JEE Advanced 2025, Paper 2, Mathematics, Question 7. Let us first visualize the setup. We have the circle x squared plus y squared equals 9 in blue, and the ellipse x squared over 9 plus y squared over 4 equals 1 in red. The point M is at 3, 0. Point R is on the circle where the angle ROM equals pi by 6, and point S is where the angle SOM equals pi by 3. Points P and Q lie on the ellipse, sharing the same x coordinates as R and S respectively. Let us keep this diagram as a reference while we solve the problem. The question states, let P and Q be two distinct points on the ellipse x squared over 9 plus y squared over 4 equals 1, with positive y coordinates. The circle C is x squared plus y squared equals 9 and M is at 3, 0. Line x equals x1 intersects C at R, and x equals x2 intersects C at S, both with positive y coordinates. Angle ROM is pi by 6 and angle SOM is pi by 3. We need to check which of the four options are correct. Before solving, let us recall the key concepts. First, a point on a circle of radius r at angle theta is given by r cos theta, r sin theta. Second, for the ellipse x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared equals 1, we can find y from x using the standard equation. Third, the equation of a line through two points uses the standard two-point slope formula. Step 1. Since r is on the circle x squared plus y squared equals 9 and angle ROM equals pi by 6, r has coordinates 3 cos pi by 6, 3 sin pi by 6, which gives r equals 3 root 3 over 2, 3 over 2. Similarly, angle SOM equals pi by 3, so S equals 3 cos pi by 3, 3 sin pi by 3, which is 3 over 2, 3 root 3 over 2. Therefore, x1 equals 3 root 3 over 2 and x2 equals 3 over 2. Step 2. Now we find P and Q on the ellipse. For point P with x1 equals 3 root 3 over 2, we substitute into the ellipse equation. y1 squared equals 4 times 1 minus 27 over 4 divided by 9, which simplifies to 4 times 1/4, giving y1 squared equals 1. Since y1 is positive, y1 equals 1. So P is 3 root 3 over 2, 1. For Q with x2 equals 3 over 2, solving similarly gives y2 squared equals 3, so y2 equals root 3. Q is 3 over 2, root 3. Step 3. The slope of line PQ equals root 3 minus 1 over 3 over 2 minus 3 root 3 over 2. The denominator simplifies to 3 times 1 minus root 3 over 2. This gives slope equals negative 2 over 3. Using point slope form with point Q, we get y minus root 3 equals negative 2/3 times x minus 3 over 2. Simplifying, 2x plus 3y equals 3 times 1 plus root 3. This matches option A. Step 4. Let us verify options C and D. For option C, n2 is at x2, 0. The distance n to Q is simply y2 equals root 3. The distance n to S is the y coordinate of S, which is 3 root 3 over 2. Now, 3 times root 3 equals 3 root 3, and 2 times 3 root 3 over 2 also equals 3 root 3. So 3 times n to Q equals 2 times n to S, option C is correct. For option D, n1p equals y1 which is 1, and n1r equals 3 over 2. 9 times 1 is 9, but 4 times 3 over 2 is only 6. These are not equal, so option D is incorrect. The correct answers are options A and C. Option A gives the correct equation of line PQ as 2x plus 3y equals 3 times 1 plus root 3. Option C correctly states that 3 times n to Q equals 2 times n to S. Options B and D are incorrect. Here are some important tips for JEE Advanced. Tip 1. For circle problems, always use the parametric form r cos theta, r sin theta to convert angle information into coordinates. Tip 2. When a point shares its x-coordinate between an ellipse and a circle, the y-values differ by the ratio b over a. Tip 3. Vertical distances from the x-axis are simply the y-coordinates. Use this to quickly verify ratio conditions. Tip 4. In multiple correct questions with negative marking, verify each option independently for partial credit. If you found this solution helpful, please like and subscribe for more JEE Advanced solutions at MAGPIEHUB. See you in the next question.